Imagine being a lion in bed again, without any artificial supplements. Picture a world where the vigor of your youth is not just a distant memory, but a tangible reality. This isn't a fantasy, it's the result of tapping into nature's bounty and harnessing the power of simple, everyday ingredients. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that combines age-old wisdom with modern needs. We're talking about natural remedies that are not only accessible and affordable, but also have a rich history dating back centuries. Picture this, a time when our ancestors relied solely on the fruits of the earth to heal, to nourish, and yes, to enhance their intimate lives. They discovered secrets that have been passed down generations but are somehow lost in the hustle and bustle of our contemporary lives. Get ready to uncover a secret that has been kept for centuries, a secret that could make you feel like a lion in bed again. Scene script: dive into the past, to a time when ancient civilizations relied on nature's bounty to solve their problems. Long before the advent of modern medicine, our ancestors had an intimate relationship with the natural world. They observed the effects of different plants and foods on the human body, and through trial and error, developed remedies for various ailments. Among these remedies was a certain potion, a concoction designed to enhance vitality and vigor. So, where did this potion originate? Our tale takes us back to the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Greece. In these cultures, the banana was considered a symbol of fertility and love, often offered as a gift to the gods. The humble garlic clove was also highly esteemed. It was believed to possess aphrodisiac properties and was frequently used in love spells and potions. Meanwhile, the red onion was seen as a potent symbol of passion in many cultures. It was thought to stir the senses and ignite the fires of desire. And honey, sweet and golden, was associated with love and sensuality across multiple societies. It was often used in marriage ceremonies, symbolizing the sweet life that the couple hoped to share. The combination of these ingredients created a potent brew that was used to stimulate vitality and enhance performance. It was a closely guarded secret, passed down from generation to generation, from healer to healer. Now you might be wondering, how did water come into the picture? Well, water was considered the elixir of life. It was the medium that brought all these potent elements together, creating a harmonious blend that was easy to consume and digest. Interestingly, these ancient beliefs are not entirely unfounded. Modern science has shown that these ingredients indeed have properties that can enhance energy and vitality. Bananas are rich in potassium and B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. Garlic is known for its ability to improve blood flow, and honey is a natural energy booster. And now, this secret potion has been passed down to us, unaltered and as potent as ever. Now behold the simple yet powerful ingredients that make up this magical potion. First, let's welcome the humble banana to the stage. This tropical fruit is a powerhouse of energy, packed with potassium and vitamin B that can help to boost energy levels and increase stamina. But the banana's true charm lies in its enzyme, bromelain, which has been suggested to enhance male performance, making it a key player in our love potion. Moving on, we encounter the mighty garlic clove. Now don't be deceived by its small size. Garlic is a strong aphrodisiac that has been used for centuries to stimulate desire and enhance performance. It's rich in allicin, a compound that improves blood flow, ensuring that all the right places are well supplied. Next up, we have the fiery red onion. This potent bulb is known for its high content of phytochemicals, which boost the immune system and improve circulation. But it's the quercetin in red onions that steals the show. A flavonoid that's been linked to increased testosterone levels, adding a little extra raw to our lion. Then, we sweeten the deal with a spoonful of honey. This golden nectar is not only a natural sweetener, but also a source of boron, a mineral that helps regulate hormone levels and provide a natural energy boost. Honey also contains nitric oxide, a gas that plays a crucial role in arousal, making it a sweet addition to our potion. Lastly, we tie it all together with half a cup of water. A simple yet essential ingredient, water ensures the proper functioning of all body systems, including circulation. It helps in the absorption and distribution of our potion's other ingredients, making their effects more pronounced. These everyday ingredients, when combined, possess the power to bring the lion out in you. So, who's ready to roar? Let's move to the next scene and start brewing this magical potion. Scene script: unleash your inner alchemist and prepare to concoct this magical potion. A foray into the realm of natural remedies can be both exciting and rewarding. Today we're taking simple everyday ingredients and transforming them into a potent, energy-boosting potion. First things first, grab a ripe banana. This humble fruit is not only delicious but packed with essential nutrients, including potassium, which plays a key role in muscle health and nerve function. Peel the banana and slice it into small pieces. Next, we turn to the pungent yet powerful garlic clove. Garlic is known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to improve cardiovascular health. Peel the garlic and finely chop it. Don't worry about the strong smell. It's a small price to pay for its incredible healing properties. Following garlic, the next ingredient is half a red onion. Just like garlic, onions are replete with beneficial compounds and contribute to overall health. Chop the onion finely and remember, if you're tearing up, it's just the onion's way of saying it's working. Now, it's time to sweeten things up a bit. Take a tablespoon of honey. This golden elixir is a natural sweetener and is loaded with antioxidants. It's the perfect ingredient to balance the flavors of our potion. Lastly, measure out half a cup of water. This will help blend our ingredients into a smooth, drinkable potion. With all our ingredients prepared, it's time to bring them together. Pour the water into a blender, followed by the chopped banana, garlic, and onion. Blend until the mixture is smooth. Then add the honey and blend again until it's well integrated into the potion. Pour the potion into a glass. It's best enjoyed fresh, so make sure to consume it shortly after preparation. Take a moment to appreciate the amalgamation of these natural ingredients, each contributing to your health and vitality in its unique way. And there you have it, a potion made from nature's bounty, ready to awaken the lion within. Now that your potion is ready, it's time to put it to the test. So when do you consume this love potion? Well, the best time to consume this potion is about an hour before you plan to, let's say, roar like a lion. This gives the potion ample time to circulate in your system and kickstart its magic. Now, how do you consume it? This potion isn't like your everyday juice or smoothie. You don't gulp it down in one go. Instead, you savor it, sip by sip, allowing the unique blend of flavors to dance on your palate. As you take each sip, visualize the energy it's about to unleash within you. Visualization is a powerful tool that can amplify the effects of the potion. After you've consumed the potion, what should you expect? Well, here's where the fun begins. You might start to feel a slight tingling sensation, a rush of warmth coursing through your veins. This is your body responding to the potion, preparing you for the grand performance. Remember, every individual's body reacts differently, so don't fret if you don't feel anything immediately. Over the course of the next hour, you might notice an increase in your energy levels, a heightened sense of arousal, and a boost in your confidence. These are the first signs that the potion is working its magic. However, it's important to note that this potion is not a magic bullet. It's meant to enhance your natural abilities, not create superhuman powers. So, don't expect to turn into a superhero overnight. As you revel in your newfound vitality, remember to stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. And most importantly, listen to your body. If at any point you feel uncomfortable or experience any adverse effects, stop using the potion immediately and consult your doctor. Remember, patience is key. Allow the potion to work its magic. Enjoy this journey of rediscovering your inner lion and roaring with passion. After all, isn't that what life is all about? Now it's your turn to awaken the lion within. The adventure of rediscovering your vitality starts right in your kitchen. Gather your ingredients: a banana, a garlic clove, half a red onion, a tablespoon of honey, and half a cup of water. Follow the steps we've shared and brew your own love potion. As you embark on this journey, we encourage you to share your experiences. How did the potion taste? Did you feel an energy surge? Was there a noticeable difference? Your stories inspire us and others to embrace natural remedies. And remember, this is just the beginning. There are countless natural remedies waiting to be discovered and utilized. We'll continue to explore and share these with you in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned and keep experimenting. And until next time, remember, nature holds the key to our well-being.